Recording.
All right, we're going.
Okay.
All right. How's your shoulder hurting?
This shoulder hurts really bad. What happened is, I think it was Thursday, I get slipped on some black ice.
Okay.
Went down on this shoulder.
Okay.
Now this is my bad one.
Right.
Now, but
Now
this
you're
is
all
good compared to this one.
All right. Have a seat.
And I can't sleep at night.
All right.
So you got to tell me what I can do so I can sleep at night.
A lot of beer. No, I'm just kidding.
Take that out.
Edit that. This is Jim. Jim's been coming in for a while now. What you're seeing is the adjustment today is a very short adjustment. What we're showing is how the adjustment works. What you're not seeing is all the exam findings and everything that told us what to do. The adjustment is an action. It's a lot like swallowing a pill. You may swallow cholesterol pills for 90 days before you see any results. Same thing, we do the adjustment and we repeat it until we get the result. So we're going to work on that today. So what we're feeling for is the joints that are subluxated, the ones out of place, and then we move them back into the right motion so the body can heal itself. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. There we are. And we do the same thing on the other side. A little bit lower. There we are. Perfect. And show me right where your shoulder hurts. Feel better?
No. I'm trying to, when I move it, it's right in.
Right in through there? Okay.
I think I tore it.
Well, put your arm up like this. Resist. Does that hurt?
Yes.
Okay. And where does it hurt at? Right in through there? So you're supraspinatus. Bring your arm up this way, and we're going to set it back in the socket.
Ow!
Good.
No, that hurt.
Yeah.
Oh, God, did that hurt.
I know. Put your hand on your hip.
I don't know if I can.
You can do it. Now push backwards with your elbow. There we
That
go.
one in.
Good.
That one in.
Now move your arm around.
Still hurts.
Still hurts.
That's better.
Good. Now face down. Alright, so when you're laying here, your right leg is short compared to your left leg. And it gets longer when you bend it up. Reflex tells us that you're subluxated here. We're going to check the rest of the spine, feel how it's moving or not moving. Right in here on the right. Low pressure. I'm going to rotate that vertebra around. Now, lying your right side. After you get adjusted, you have about 20 minutes where your joints are hypermobile. During that time, your body will pull them back into alignment.